Hello, welcome to today's video. My name is Rob and I'm going to show you how you can start page numbering from a different page. So let's call this front page. And we're going to insert a blank page. I'm going to call that index. Not a blank page. We're going to call that story page. And now we have two pages that you do not want to have. Let's make this a bit bigger. Now you have 3 pages and you do not want to number the first 2 pages. What you're gonna do is place your cursor here. You're gonna go to page break. You're gonna go to section break, next page. Now you're gonna go to insert page numbering, bottom right, bottom of the page. I'm gonna do it on the right side because that is how I was taught. Page numbering, format of the page numbers, and now I'm gonna start at 1. What you see now is 1, and you see 1 and 2. Well, you want to uncheck that. Now you're gonna go to this one, remove it. Now you see first 2 are gone. This one is still here. You close it. Nothing on the first 2 pages, still one here. And when you insert another page, you see page 1, page 2. And that's pretty much all there is to it. On our next videos, we're going to build an entire document, including the index, including front page and everything. We're going to do that in future lessons. Please share the lessons, subscribe would help me out a lot, and like the video. If you have any comments on or requests about the video, let me know. If you have requests about other Office applications or anything you want to see a video on, let me know. Thank you for now. Bye bye.